Dude, Jacob, grab that.
Why can't we just go this way?
Let's just go, yeah, let's just go out.
Yeah.
One more, then we're gone.
No, you're already pushing your luck. I got a jail cell downstairs. My boss wants one of you in it.
Actually, eh?
But I don't want to put you in it.
A jail cell?
Just don't come back. Yeah, we're the only ones who have one.
Damn.